Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Today I will be working on this panel and I want to do a split colored base with Prussian blue and titanium white by Amsterdam, and in the center ocean colors, and creating a sort of ocean botanical Dutch pour. So let's get started. Okay, so I do not have a lot of Prussian blue and it's all in this bottle because it's the leftover, so I guess the Prussian blue won't have a big part in the canvas. No, that's not gonna be a big part. Alright, and then the white. Now, let me first spread this out. Oh, it's almost half, so alright, that's great. I thought I had less of this color, so it's a half moon. Then let's go for the white. I really want to try to do this quite neat, taking my time. And I love these spatulas by Liquitex to spread everything out, but also for manipulating the paint and tweaking the blooms that I created. So all of these variants of the spatulas by Liquitex, palette knives and sizes, they're listed in my website rinskedouna.com. This video is sponsored by myself. I should have said, let's go to the sponsor of this video, rinskedouna.com. Alright, this base is great. Let me just push it a bit more towards the edges here, so we really have the split going. Might need just a little bit more of the white here. Everything can really properly flow when blowing it out. Okay, tons of air bubbles. Nice. Okay, so obviously I will pour the colors here in the center of the split, but also a little bit towards the sides. And I have a phthalo blue, a phthalo green, a light olive green. You know, I've been loving light olive green, and gold. Also, I do have a turquoise here. I don't know if I'm gonna use that. And I do want to start with the lightest color. It's this olive green. Would be interesting to see the tweaking in the split. Oh, I didn't want to pour it all over the edge, by the way. I already did that. Then let's go with the phthalo blue. Now let's see. I want to go here. It's that. All right, phthalo blue. Phthalo green. Alright, and then the gold. This does look weird, doesn't it? Alright, let's blow this out. It's a long time I did a split colored base. I think the last time was like also a Prussian blue and white for one of my blooms. Okay, let's blow this out. Yeah, yeah. So. Loving the colors on the Prussian blue, not so much on the white side. But I will be tweaking this, and as you maybe saw in the last videos, everything can change. So let's see for the center. It's a hard choice, I guess, here. I'll drag this first towards there. Yeah, so I will be working with the Prussian blue swiping and of course the white. So let's first do the parts in the Prussian blue. That already makes such a difference, doesn't it? Alright, we're already done for the Prussian blue side, so now everything is in the white. I'm loving these colors on Prussian blue so much. It's really soft. Alright, let's clean up my fingers really well. And then start with the white. Let me know what you think, guys, because I feel like I love the parts on the Prussian blue, but on the white, nah, not so much, really. Let me blow some of these leaves out a bit so it looks more natural. Really, I can't get over the fact that I'm loving the Prussian blue side so much, and the white side not that much. I wish I would have had a Prussian blue base here. So yeah, that must be one of my next paintings, because that is just gorgeous with this color palette, really. Alright, but I will let this dry just to see how it dries and how I feel about it then. Because it's an interesting concept with the split base. Alright, so this painting is now dry, and I love the split that is going on here, especially the part in the Prussian blue here. I noticed it's not very visible on camera, but it's definitely missing something. In the other one that I did, I used a gold pencil, and this time I thought, you know what, I'm gonna use silver. And if I do not like it, then I can always draw over it again. Let's start drawing some silver lining.